Hello my dear friends, my name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. And in this video, I'm going to show you a tip which will save you a lot of time. Yes, it is very good time saving tips which you all should know. So let us say you have a list of employees. Let me open this file. It is in the Excel format. And you can see that we have a list of employees, 100 employees, let us say. And you need to create a separate folder for each one of this to store the data of that particular employee in a separate folder. So how we can do that in a quicker way? The manual work is too hectic and time consuming. So now we'll go here, right click and select new, and you will select a folder, then you name it as Peter. And in this way, you will go on and create 100 separate folders. But we don't want to do that. So let me delete this. And here we have the list of employees. So what we will do is we will add MD before this name of the associate or employee. So let me concat MD to make directory and let us add this name. And just in case we don't have any error, let us add a space after MD. So the name of the folder would be Peter and MD is for making a directory. So let me just copy this and paste this as values. And we will copy this only the names which we have just created in column B. So I'll select all, press Ctrl C to copy those. And let me go to Notepad and paste that names which I have just copied from the Excel. And after copying this, you can see that there are 100 names over here. So let us go to File and save this as. So after selecting the required folder, I will save this as folders and make sure you add this step .bat at the end. The extension .bat is must. So I'll add .bat and I will save that in the required folder. I will close this and now you can see that we have created a bat file over here, that is the batch file, Windows batch file named folders. Now the only thing which I need to do is to run this folder. So I will double click on this and it will create a folder of 100 different associates. So let me go and double click over here and here we go. And you can see that it has created a folder of each and every name of the associate. And let me select this, go on top and select the first one. You can see that it has created 100 items. And trust me, this will save you a lot of time. So that's all for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you have learned a new thing from this tip. Do visit our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Not only the general tips, but we have uploaded videos of Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint tips and tricks. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Hoping to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.